Let us see in this video how to create purchase bills for expenses. Expense purchase bill booking is the process of recording a bill received from a supplier or vendor into an organization's accounting system, where the bill relates to an expense. Supplier, a third-party vendor providing goods or services. Bill or invoice, a formal request for payment from the supplier, recording the transaction in the accounting system. Expense, a cost incurred in the normal course of business operations, example, rent, utilities, office supplies, travel and charges, etc. Let's see how to create expense bills. Log in with the username and password of the creator to create purchase bills. Click on the Login button. Click on Financials, click on Transactions, click on Party Document. Navigate to the Purchase Bill screen. To create a purchase bill for expense, click on the Add button. The subverter type will be updated automatically and set as Expense by default. In the reference field, choose Without Reference. Select the location ID where the expense occurred. The unit will be updated automatically based on the selected location. In the outer date field, enter the date on which the expense occurred. The default outer prefix will be updated automatically. Choose the party ID and party name. Once the party ID is selected, currency and bill from location will be updated automatically based on the supplier master defaults. Enter the bill date and bill number. Click on the Save button. After saving, the header will be created and the system will generate a unique document number automatically. This document number can be used for tracking and further reference. In the header, the location ID, unit, outer date, subverter type, reference, outer prefix, outer number, party ID, party name, bill from location, currency, bill number, and bill date will be updated. In the line, click on the Add button to add the expense. Type will be updated as expense by default. Click on GL Account Description. CPC description will be updated automatically. Invoice quantity will be set to 1 by default. Update the unit cost manually. Click on the Save button. Once the unit cost is updated, the line amount will be updated based on unit cost and invoice quantity. If a discount is applicable, the user must update the discount amount. Click on HSN R SAC code to choose the HSN R SAC code. Once the HSN R SAC code has been selected, the GST tax percentage will be updated automatically based on the HSN R SAC code. Based on the bill from location, if it is in another state, IGST amount will be updated. If it is in the same state, CGST and SGST amounts will be updated. Click on the Save button. Click on Project R Due button. In the Project R Due tab, users can view the due amount and due date. Then click on Adjustments and go to Adjustments tab. If users have any advances already paid, they will be adjusted from the bill amount. Reference tab. In the Reference tab, users can see payment term, territory, PAN number, and details, which will be updated. If required, users can change or edit the payment term. In the right corner, users can view the preview. The gross amount, tax amount, net amount, and details will be updated. The bill from and bill to addresses can be viewed in Location Details, Billing from, and Billing to Address. Once the entry is saved, click on the Create Journal checkbox. Once the Create Journal checkbox is selected, the journal will get created. To view the journal, click on the View Journal button. The expense account will be debited. The tax account will be debited, and the party account will be credited. Click on Post to forward the document for review to the supervisor. Click OK. Now log in as the supervisor to review the document. Click on the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on the Detail button. Once the document is reviewed, Click on Process. Then click on Forward to send the document to the manager. Click on Process. Next, log in as manager to review and approve the document. Click on the Login button and navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on the Detail button. Once the document is reviewed, click on the Select button, then click on Process. Click on Approval, then click on Process. The document will be approved. To view the approved document, log in with the creator's login. Click on the Login button. Then click on Financials. Click on Transactions. Then click on Party Document. Navigate to the Purchase Bill screen. Click on Search to view the approved document. Thank you for watching this video.